I've been on top for a while. NASA chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got things to get. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set it. Inside the new Maybach coupe, peanut butter jelly. I'ma slide in the road, slide in the lamb, slide in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. Need my brother sip mud with me. He and my jet in the wind, I set off the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he pop his annies again. Caught his ass slipping at the cul-de-sac, sliding on the ops playing toe tag. Just in Miami, I was chilling with a Zozak. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jack. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up on Let Me Land, playing dice with mustard, bet it on a 4 to 10. I remember wondering what I'm gon' eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. NASA chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got things to get gear. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set it. Inside the new Maybach coupe, peanut butter jelly. I'ma slide in the road, slide in the lamb, slide in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, sipping on mud. They never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while. NASA chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got things to get gear. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set it. Inside the new Maybach coupe, peanut butter jelly. I'ma slide in the road, slide in the lamb, slide in the Benz. Been working on my confidence and respect. I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us.
Happy birthday, son. You make mommy so proud. I love you. I just wish you all the best and continue doing a great job at all you do. Love you, baby.
Hey, JoJo. This is Gran speaking to you from Dominica. I call to wish you a very happy birthday. You're 10 years today. May God bless you, keep you, hold you in his loving arms. And I wish you all the best. And all what you learn at school that is good for you, I want you to retain. So whenever you go to the exams room, you'll remember everything that you have learned. God bless you, darling.
Happy birthday, Joe. Hope you enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Giovanni. I'm so proud of you. Continue to keep doing all the greatness that you're doing, and you will always be my stinker butt. Love you, JoJo.
Happy birthday, JoJo. I'm so glad you've been on this earth for 10 years.
Hey, happy birthday, my boy. Love you, kid.
Happy birthday, Mugadoo.
Happy birthday, JoJo.
Happy birthday, JoJo.
Happy birthday, JoJo. I miss celebrating your 10th birthday with you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, JoJo. Can't wait to come to your birthday party.
Me too.
We love you. Turn up.
We getting lit, boy.
Birthday vibes.
Happy birthday, JoJo.
Happy birthday, nephew. God bless you many more years. We love you. Stay healthy, stay strong, and stay smart.
And we're proud of you. Continue to be great in football. Continue to be great in all your endeavors. You know, making books. Continue to be a great big brother for Nana, and continue to be a great child for your parents. We love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, JoJo. Have a good time.
Happy birthday, JoJo. Love you. See you soon.
Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to JoJo. Happy birthday to JoJo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Love you, JoJo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah.
My prince, happy birthday. A change is going to come because you're in it, in this world, to make a difference. Go on, keep going. Be the scholar that you are. Happy birthday. I love you so much. And remember, a change comes with you. I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, but just like the river, I've been wandering ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change is gonna come. With you in this world, it will be a change. I love you, Joe. Happy birthday. But
Gamer versus Gamer. Video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.